Rain, rain, go away, come again and again.
Hello and welcome to the Great Outdoors. You join us here in Wales in the Brecon Beacons. We're on a bit of a waterfall hunt again. It's not the same place we went to before, but there are 4 waterfalls which hopefully we will view today. There are 5 in total here, but to be honest, the only way you can get to the 5th one is you have to go over the river around 3-4 times, I believe, and even in the summer that's a push, whereas with the water as high as it is at the moment and with as much rain as we've had, there's just no way we're going to be attempting to do that. It's quite late on the day. It's around 2 o'clock. We got here a lot later than we were hoping. Yeah, down to me. I wanted to buy a new sleeping bag, which I do now have, which hopefully we'll get to use soon. But yeah, it's and there's been a lot of road works, things like that. But it's been wet. It's been raining a lot. I'm quite wet. I decided to wear an old ski jacket that's supposed to be waterproof, but I don't believe it's waterproof anymore because my elbows are very wet. Again, my feet worn these boots before and I've ended up with wet feet. Yeah, wet feet again. For the price of these boots, they look nice, they're comfortable, but they don't keep your feet that dry. The waterproofs, the Glurt waterproofs, they seem to have kept my legs nice and dry. It's brightened up a little bit since we first came out, so that's quite nice. It has stopped raining, so that's good. The only thing we can say, being almost the end of February, with the weather the way it's been, it makes the waterfalls more fierce. A lot more water coming over, and yeah, it's a pretty decent waterfall to start our walk and start our sort of long weekend here in the Brecon Beacons. Anyway, I'll bring you all back in a bit, hopefully when we possibly reach the next waterfall. See you in a bit.
Everywhere you look, there's just something else that's beautiful.
Hello and welcome back. As you can see, this is the last waterfall we'll be seeing today. You would have seen through the video multiple other waterfalls, parts of the river. I mean, it is just spectacular here. The fact that we've had such heavy rain, I do believe, has sort of contributed to how fierce these things are. I mean, obviously I've not been here in the summer or in the drier months, shall we say, but wow, I've never seen anything like it. I honestly think this area is better than the 4 waterfalls walk we did a while back. It's been nice that it's not been that busy. We've got blue skies now. You would have seen some photos I'm sure we'll publish of rainbow, but the sun has come out. It's starting to go down now. It's just gone 4 o'clock, so we are going to have to start making our way back to the car. But wow, it's been an amazing walk, and your eyes, you just don't know what to do. It's just everywhere you look, there's just something to look at. It's just so unbelievably gorgeous. I can't put into words how lovely this place is. I would go as far to say, for me personally, and I think you'll probably find Kelly may also agree, it's one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to in my life. It's just a feast for your eyes. Anyway, that's it for now on this, I think. You might have a little bit of an outro part of the video. Might video little bits and pieces we may have missed. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this part of the Brecon Beacons, and I hope you'll join us in the next video, which could be much sooner than you think.
This place, it's just stunning. Everywhere you turn, beautiful.
This is how waterproof my shoes and boots are. You're about to all see. That, right, I'm going to get the other one. See that as well. They're DLX boots, just to let everyone know. I don't know exactly what model, but they weren't cheap. I bought them expensive because I thought, wow, they'll be waterproof, wouldn't they? This is how waterproof they are. Not. And that, I didn't engulf my foot in water. Just,
no, you didn't.
This was just
there was no jumping in water, was there?
It was just muddy puddles.